G'day everyone. Are you tired of the endless cycle of weight loss and regain? Do you feel like you've tried every diet and workout plan under the sun, but nothing seems to stick? You're not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with their weight, and it can be incredibly frustrating. You start with the best intentions, full of motivation and ready to make a change. But then life gets in the way. The cravings hit. The motivation dwindles. It's time to stop fighting the same old battles and start working with your mind to achieve lasting change. Get ready to unlock the secrets of your subconscious mind with Richard Trillian's powerful method. Richard, author of You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method, knows the struggles of weight loss.
For years, I battled with my own weight, trying every diet and exercise regime imaginable.
But then everything changed. Richard discovered lasting weight loss begins in the mind. Stay tuned as we delve into Richard's method to transform your life. Richard wasn't always a weight loss guru. In fact, he used to be just like many of you watching this video. He struggled with his weight for years, constantly searching for that magic solution that would finally melt the pounds away.
You see, I grew up loving food. It was a central part of my family life, full of delicious meals and shared laughter around the dinner table. But as I got older, those extra kilos started to creep on. I tried all the fad diets, the quick fixes, and the grueling exercise regimes, but nothing seemed to work long-term.
He'd lose a few kilos, only to gain them back, plus some. It was a roller coaster of hope and disappointment. The frustration of knowing you need to make a change, but not knowing where to start or what will actually work this time. One day, Richard found himself at his doctor's office for a routine checkup. As the doctor read out his weight, Richard felt a wave of shame wash over him.
The doctor went on to explain the health risks associated with my weight, the increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other serious conditions.
It was a wake-up call for Richard. He realized that this wasn't just about fitting into his favorite jeans anymore. It was about his health, his well-being, his future. He knew he couldn't keep going down this path. He had to make a change, but this time, he needed a different approach. He wanted something sustainable, something that would address the root cause of his weight struggles.
Section 3. The Power of Belief, A Seed is Planted. Around this time, I stumbled upon a book about the power of the subconscious mind. Intrigued, I delved deeper into the idea that our thoughts and beliefs could have a profound impact on our reality, including our physical health. I began to question if my own subconscious beliefs about myself and my body could be sabotaging my weight loss efforts. Could it be that deep down, I didn't believe I could be slim and healthy? Did I subconsciously associate food with comfort and security, making it even harder to resist cravings? This realization was a turning point in my journey. It was the spark that ignited a fire within me, a fire that would fuel my transformation and lead me to develop my revolutionary 4-step method. Section 4. A Journey of Self-Discovery. The 4 Steps Emerge. Driven by this newfound understanding, I embarked on a journey of self-discovery. I devoured books and articles on the subconscious mind, exploring various techniques and practices that could help me reprogram my deeply ingrained beliefs. I experimented with visualization, affirmations, and journaling, meticulously tracking my progress and noting what resonated most profoundly with my mind and body. It was during this period of intense self-reflection and experimentation that the 4 steps of my method began to take shape. By combining the power of imagination, affirmations, written goals, and consistent reinforcement through recordings, I could effectively communicate my weight loss desires to my subconscious mind.
Section 1. Step 1. The Imagination Method: Painting Your Ideal Self. Richard's first step, the imagination method, taps directly into the subconscious mind's language imagery. Your subconscious doesn't understand words in the same way your conscious mind does. It thrives on feelings, emotions, and vivid pictures. Now close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself at your ideal weight. See yourself full of energy, moving with ease and grace. Picture yourself trying on clothes you love, feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Imagine the look on your loved ones' faces as they see the new, vibrant you. Hold on to those feelings, the joy, the pride, the sense of accomplishment. This, my friends, is the power of visualization. When you vividly imagine yourself at your goal weight, you're essentially planting those images directly into your subconscious.
Section 2, Step 2, the affirmation method, rewriting your internal script. But the imagination method is just the beginning. To truly solidify these new images in your subconscious, we need to address the negative self-talk that often sabotages our efforts.
For years, Richard had been bombarded with negative thoughts about his body and his ability to lose weight.
These negative affirmations were like weeds choking the garden of his mind, preventing him from cultivating the positive self-image he desired. He started replacing those limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations.
Instead of "I'm always going to be overweight," he would repeat to himself, "I am strong, healthy, and capable of achieving my ideal weight."
Section 3, the power of synergy, imagination and affirmations working together. Now you might be thinking, can simply repeating positive phrases really make a difference? And the answer is a resounding yes.
Your subconscious mind is incredibly suggestible. It believes whatever you tell it, especially if you repeat it consistently with conviction.
By flooding your mind with positive affirmations, you're essentially rewriting the script of your life, replacing self-doubt with self-belief.
When you pair vivid visualizations of your ideal self with empowering affirmations, you create a powerful synergy that accelerates your transformation. Imagine yourself running that marathon, feeling strong and energized, while simultaneously affirming, "I am a powerful runner, and I'm achieving my fitness goals with every step."
Section 1, Step 3, the written method, mapping your transformation. This step is all about taking those powerful visualizations and affirmations from the realm of the mind and grounding them in the physical world.
Richard found that simply thinking about his goals wasn't enough. He needed to get them out of his head and onto paper. So he started journaling. Every day he would write down his weight loss goals, his motivations for wanting to achieve them, and the specific actions he would take that day to move closer to his desired outcome. He would also use his journal to track his progress, celebrate his successes, and identify any challenges he encountered along the way.
What Richard discovered was that the simple act of writing down his goals made them feel more real, more achievable. This tangible roadmap kept him accountable and focused. Section 2, Step 4, the recording and listening method, a constant companion.
Step 4, the recording and listening method, takes the power of affirmations to the next level.
Imagine this. You're driving to work, listening to the radio, when suddenly you hear your own voice, strong and confident, affirming your ability to make healthy choices throughout the day. Or you're at the gym, working up a sweat, and your headphones are filled with your own words of encouragement, reminding you of your strength and resilience.
This is the beauty of the recording and listening method. It allows you to integrate your affirmations seamlessly into your daily routine.
Richard found that by listening to his recordings regularly, he was able to counteract negative self-talk more effectively and maintain a positive mindset even when faced with challenges or temptations. Section 3, Anchoring your goals, the power of repetition and reinforcement.
Repetition is key when it comes to reprogramming the subconscious mind.
Think of it like this. Each time you write down your goals or listen to your affirmations, you're watering the seeds of change you've planted in your mind.
Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but do I really need to do all 4 steps? And the answer is, the more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. Each step builds upon the last, creating a powerful synergy that amplifies your results.
Section 1, the mental shift from struggle to surrender.
Now let's talk about something truly profound that happens when you consistently implement Richard's 4-step method, a mental shift. You see, for years, I had approached weight loss as a battle, a constant struggle against cravings, temptations, and my own self-doubt.
But through his journey, Richard discovered a more effortless path, a path of surrender. Not surrender to his cravings or to failure, but surrender to the wisdom of his own subconscious mind.
I learned to trust that by consistently feeding my mind with positive images, empowering beliefs, and clear intentions, my subconscious would take over and guide me towards my goals with greater ease and grace.
Section 2. The conscious and subconscious, a powerful alliance.
Think of it like this. Your conscious mind is like the captain of a ship, charting the course and setting the destination.
But it's your subconscious mind, the powerful engine below deck, that actually propels the ship forward.
For years, Richard had been trying to sail his ship with a faulty engine, constantly battling against resistance and making little progress.
But by aligning my conscious intentions with the immense power of my subconscious, I was finally able to harness the full force of my being and navigate towards my desired destination with clarity and purpose.
Section 3. Breaking free from old patterns, reprogramming your autopilot.
You see, our subconscious minds are creatures of habit. They thrive on routine and repetition, running the same old programs day after day, often without us even realizing it.
These programs, shaped by our past experiences, beliefs, and conditioning, can either work for us or against us.
For years, Richard's subconscious mind had been running a program of self-sabotage, associating food with comfort and exercise with deprivation.
But by consistently implementing the 4-step method, Richard was able to interrupt these old, unhelpful patterns and reprogram his subconscious mind with new, empowering beliefs and behaviors.
Trusting the process.
Reprogramming takes time and consistency.
You've been running old programs for years. It takes time for your subconscious to embrace new ways.
Transformation is a journey, not a destination.
Be patient, trust the process, and keep showing up. As we reach the end of our journey together today, let's take a moment to acknowledge the incredible power you hold within you. You have within you the capacity for extraordinary change, for transforming not just your body, but your entire life.
Remember my story. I wasn't born with superhuman willpower or a magic metabolism. I was just an ordinary bloke who decided he was tired of feeling stuck, tired of being held back by his own self-doubt.
And by embracing the power of his mind, by consistently applying the 4-step method, Richard was able to unlock a level of strength, resilience, and self-belief he never knew he possessed. And here's the truly exciting part. If Richard can do it, so can you. Now, I know this journey won't always be easy. There will be days when those old cravings resurface, when self-doubt whispers in your ear, when it feels easier to hit the snooze button than lace up your running shoes.
But here's the thing, it's not about being perfect, it's about being persistent. It's about recognizing that setbacks are not failures. They're simply opportunities to learn, adjust, and grow.
So embrace the journey, my friends. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Acknowledge your progress, even if it's just taking the stairs instead of the lift today. Remember, you're not just shedding kilos, you're shedding limiting beliefs, negative self-talk, and old patterns that no longer serve you. So are you ready to embark on this life-changing journey? Are you ready to tap into the immense power of your mind and create the healthy, happy, vibrant life you deserve?
Don't wait for Monday, don't wait for the new year, don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Take action today, right now, in this very moment. Start by writing down your weight loss goals.
Visualize yourself achieving them with crystal clarity. Craft empowering affirmations that resonate with your soul. Record them in your own voice and listen to them throughout the day. Let these positive messages seep into your subconscious, transforming your thoughts, your actions, and ultimately, your reality. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Richard has built an incredible community of individuals who have embraced the 4-step method and experienced incredible transformations in their lives. Connect with them, share your story, support each other, and celebrate your collective triumphs.
And if you're ready to delve deeper into the 4-step method, be sure to check out my book. You will keep struggling to lose weight until you try this 4-step method of losing weight. It's packed with even more insights, techniques, and inspiration to guide you on your journey.
So, go out there, Embrace the power within you and start creating the life of your dreams. One healthy choice, one empowering thought, one incredible transformation at a time. You can get Richard Mante's weight loss book called "You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight" from his website richardmante.com and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share, and subscribe to get future amazing videos. Remember, every step you take is a step toward a healthier, more fulfilling life. Your journey is unique, and your story can inspire countless others. So make sure to stay connected, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Together, we can achieve extraordinary things. Pause 3S. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep believing in yourself.